will receive some ND filters from freewellgear.com. And the winner this week is Joe Blaylock. Congrats, man. He says, hey, Ken, I was in Spokane, Washington. Although I was not able to find a safe place to fly, there is a viewpoint on the top of the cliffs on the east side of the Columbia River, and since I was stuck in traffic, I thought I would catch the sunset on the river. The sun was setting, and the conditions, no wind, and the river looked like a mirror for the sky. Enjoy, Joe Blaylock. It is our viewer video of the week. Star-crossed lovers. Now you got me doing that. I'm doing that all night long. Thanks, man. That is just fantastic. Thank you, Joe Blaylock. Appreciate it. Well, I guess that's about it. I do want to mention something that I want to start doing. I would like to start doing an FPV video of the week to encourage our FPV